Yeah, that is one good thing about Canadians or anyone who comes from foreign countries. Automatically their hand goes to the seat belt. I was telling her, did you put the seat belt? She was like, I'm already done. Not like you, bro. Anyways, we are starting the vlog literally at time 9:17 p.m. in the evening or in the night. What's up guys? Kaise ho? Eleanor, hope everyone is doing great. I'm taking my sister to my new house from the old house from Malkajgiri to Andike cheppa. Right now 9:30, so I think we should reach in 1 hour. It's very far, you know. You know what? I mean, I came yesterday, but again I have to go now because I forgot something. Shriman Kotaru has to keep forgetting something. Gajini brain, you know that. You know that since my childhood. And I have to
go 1 hour to get
something and come back again 1 hour. There another 20 minutes total process. 3 hours just because of my Ulakkad. Damn. Basically I forgot, you know, the most important thing. My bike's RC card.
Very good.
And I have to go for the bike trip in the next 2 days. There'll be a lot of luggage and all that stuff on me. It's irritating to go up and I have to come back again, take a lift. Complicated. It's better now we go get it. Okay, we finally reached. Google said 1 hour. We came in 58 minutes. Yeah, I'm showing my sister around a little bit. Don't try to analyze too much because you'll not understand anything here. It took me literally forever to understand how to park my car, where to park my car. Finally, I found my parking after almost 2 weeks.
Easy park.
By mistake, if you get lost here, you're literally lost. You need security guards to rescue you.
Huh?
Yeah. By the way, what car do you have in your Canada? Toronto? Where do you stay? Do you stay in Toronto?
No, Brampton.
Brampton అంటే ఊరా అది అక్కడ
Brampton.
మా మల్కాజ్గిరి లాగా ఏమన్నా?
Yeah, it's an ఊరు.
Yeah.
కానీ మస్త్ ఎక్స్పెన్సివ్. టొరాంటోలో లాగానే prices they are almost like you get a big house for 1.5 million. Like నా ఇల్లు like my house is around like 1.5 million. But maybe an apartment or studio apartment for 1.5 million in Toronto.
So Brampton is expensive.
It's expensive, but you get a good house. Like
expensive పెట్టి గుడ్ హౌస్ రాకపోతే కొడతా అని చెప్పు.
అట్లా నీకు టొరాంటోలో రాదు కదా.
And first impressions of our community. అంటే నువ్వు కొంచెమే చూసావు. You have to actually see the clubhouse. Unfortunately now it's నీ అమ్మ టైం చూద్దాం మనప్పుడు క్లోజ్ అవుతుంది 10:20 అవి టైం సో 10:20 I think clubhouse is closed, but that is the most beautiful part and you have a lot of amenities and that is the main reason we shifted here, for the amenities for Naisha. Otherwise we could have gone for a cheaper apartment without amenities and a bigger apartment,
but it is important
in a much more prime location. And the problem with Hyderabad or generally in India, you don't have play areas
for kids.
For the kids, for the adults as well. If you want to jog around మా మల్కాజ్లో బయట చెప్పులతో కొడతారు, కుక్కలేని కొరుకొస్తాయి.
అది మెయిన్.
Now it's changed the concept in Hyderabad or anywhere else in India. The modern parts of the cities, they're changed now. Now you have all these play areas, gated communities, shuttling area, tennis area, gym, indoor. Oh, we have indoor swimming pool with the climate control.
You told me.
That's underground. You can't see all that today because it's already shut. Everything is shut. Next time as in I'm planning to get her again for 2 or 3 days. She'll stay after I come from my trip. Okay. Only thing is we don't have an extra bed, so we'll have to make some adjustment.
That's okay. I'll throw him out of his bedroom. I'll sleep there.
Yeah, I was asking about your car.
Yeah, Honda CR-V. For
CR-V.
now, I'm having Honda CR-V.
Do you have 360 camera?
Next, I'm going to go for Tesla.
Oh shit, pala podam. You can't compare Tesla. You feel like you're inside a mall? I know. And there is a B3 block as well.
M3?
B3. We are in B2. This B1. You know what would be the funniest part? We came here because I forgot my RC card, bike car. If we would come here forgetting my house keys, inko next level untadi.
పూజ దగ్గర ఉంటాయి కదా.
అంటే బయటకు పోవాలి కదా మళ్ళీ. That's another 7-8 kilometers from here. Welcome to the crib. No house tour అమ్మా, no house tour. దానికి ఇంకా టైం ఉంది. ఇట్లా కావాలంటే ఇట్లా నడుచుకో. Okay, let's get my RC card and get out fast. Meanwhile, you can look around.
Nice.
You see that my sister is mesmerized with the view. She's going mad. She liked the view. Actually, it is beautiful. Yeah, look at it. Look at the background. You get a nice thumbnail. You want a thumbnail? Hyderabad skyline. And she's going on comparing with the Toronto. I said Toronto is Toronto. Hyderabad is Hyderabad.
I'm telling that in Toronto.
Toronto, there are only tall buildings. What am I
Tall
saying?
buildings.
See, what am I saying is you need empty space like this, okay?
Okay, let's talk with a fake accent. Like
You need to have open space. Toronto, you'll have buildings like this.
Kani,
Huge buildings.
No. The buildings are there, but the thing is like the beauty of it is different.
No comparison.
Just
Do you
like
get
Kadra,
do you
just
get
like-
Halim there?
Just
It's not
yeah,
about buildings.
I get
We have very rich culture here, you know. Hyderabadi culture is next level.
Hyderabad ida. I'm always local, pakka local.
Good.
Only Toronto, adanta, it's like my second home, that's it. But I always love Hyderabad. Nice.
They all have good buildings and all that. They have their own cultures, but
No,
nothing comes
culture,
close.
Nothing compared to culture of
The heritage, the
Hyderabad.
culture you have here,
Yes,
it's
100%.
truly next level. Like
Yeah.
genuinely.
If you guys ask me, I always say I will come back and settle back in Hyderabad for sure.
Oh, by the way,
But
she
I'm-
wants to come back in the next 5, maybe 7, 8 years max.
I'm thinking, Abhi.
But finally, she wants to
Yeah, I
come
want to
here
come back.
and settle in Hyderabad.
Yeah,
That's for sure.
I don't want to retire because lifelong, even though you have good amount of money, you have to keep working. Me and my husband, we both want to come
It's
back.
mechanical
and
life, you know.
send-
Here we are kings. Hyderabad is
Yeah.
our kings,
Kings,
Nawabis.
kings. Yes, that is true. But again, you know, for the kids and everything, it's nice.
Oh yeah.
For them, it is really
For lifestyle,
nice.
if you like lifestyle and all that,
Lifestyle and
you
all,
can
yeah,
go there.
it is
But
nice.
now, this part of town, especially Hyderabad, any other cities like metro cities,
Hmm.
the lifestyle has increased so much.
Always, manam. I told you, right? I am pakka local Hyderabadi.
Yeah.
I will come
we
back.
need
settle
Irani
here.
chai, we
That
need
is
Hyderabadi biryani.
Yeah.
How can we get all that in
Any
other
salad,
countries?
After
It's
coming here, I
impossible.
put on like 2 kgs, you know.
That is love, you know.
Yes.
That's love.
Or-
Hyderabad's love.
Yeah.
It's nice to vlog here, no?
Very much.
This area.
Yeah, it is nice to vlog.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know how the morning view would look. Like, as
Be
he
very
said,
bright.
we'll come back someday.
You need sunglasses to sit inside the house as well. So
Yeah,
much
I
of
can
light
see
coming through here.
Yeah, the whole of this. Yeah.
Chalo, I got my stuff, my very important RC card. I thought I'll travel like this without the RC card. I don't know. Do you guys remember this book? I still have it. Did I show this? I'm not sure. I didn't show, right? Oh shit, I didn't show it, but I really appreciate this work. Like, seriously, I don't have words for it. I always keep it here on my coffee table. Who gave this? If I remember correctly, I think it's given by Sriman Kotaru Memes channel. Very good. Like, Opika Ramiko. Seriously. I was just telling my sister, do you have an album of your daughter? Someone made a good album with composing with such amazing pictures.
It is not called Opika Re, it is called love.
It is called Unconditional Love. Look at this dude. Too much. I mean, this is not just one. We have more like this. Someone created a big collage of my photos. It's in that house. Amazing. Thanks for all this year. Makes me feel really good. Makes me feel positive. Whenever I have a low day, no, I look at all of these things and I feel like, Shriman, you have achieved something good. That is why people follow you so much. They give you such love. So let's go home now. Ganta vadtadi ippudu boni. Okay, anyway, so we came till here. I thought I'll show my sister a little bit of modern Hyderabad. We are towards the financial district right now.
Financial district ante adi kada?
And a financial district.
Amazon avonte avena Raheja Mind Space.
Adi outside, that's high-tech city.
Okay.
Actually, when my sister left, it was like 7 or 8 years back you left.
Yachi 3.5.
Actually, అవునా అప్పుడు ఇప్పుడు 6 years అన్నావు మొన్న రీసెంట్ గా.
I know me 3.5.
But still 3.5 means there's a lot of change, right?
Yeah. Here, this side it's a lot of change.
Everything changed. It's new Hyderabad completely. It was not like this. It was only Raheja Mindspace. That's it that time.
Yeah. Only Raheja Mind Space 3.5 years. Yeah.
Now, oh god, it's insane. Shiva, ఉన్నావా పోయినావా?
ఉన్నారా?
India has become too small, amma.
సో ప్రాక్టికల్లీ స్పీకింగ్ ఈ రెండు ఆప్షన్లు అదే హోటల్స్ పెట్టినవి ఉన్నాయి.
Every time I keep saying this word finally, but today is the right usage of it. Yes, finally we decided on a place to go. To start with, we're gonna hit Bangalore first. After that, we're gonna decide where to go. We have an idea where to go, but still we don't want to confirm that because we're not sure about it, because it is the end of the year. Everything is booked. Even if the hotels are available, thing is, it's all like 3 times the price. 10,000 ka room costs you 30,000. Anyways, I'm at least happy now that at least I'm gonna ride tomorrow. So anyways, from the time I got up, we were deciding on this. Let me go eat something and start packing for the ride. feels really good to get the top box back. But let me tell you, this is not going to be like super amazing next level epic ride and all that. I just want to take the bike out. I just wanted to ride because as you guys know, it's been like very long since we've ridden. Like proper travel, enthusiastic travel plans on the bike is going to happen around Jan ending and Feb first week. For now, this is going to be a quick trip. That's why we didn't even decide where to go. Right now, we're just going to Bangalore first. After that, we'll decide. Hyderabad's geography, the location is such that you don't have any amazing locations nearby. You have to travel at least 700 kilometers to reach a good destination. And in the north, Delhi people are lucky like that because all the amazing places, let it be Ladakh, let it be Sikkim, let it be Rajasthan, any place they want to go, they have amazing places around, just like 200-300 kilometers away. So we're planning to go to Bangalore, and from there, tomorrow we'll decide what to do. For now, ride is more important than anything else for me. So we are done with packing. I don't want to tell you what exactly I'm taking because it's just a 5-day ride, not much. Just a few clothes for the next 5 days. Mandatory riding gear, climb jacket and my climb pant. And I'll be taking this tank bag. This camera will be going along with a few accessories, extra batteries and all that stuff. Also, I put my laptop charger. Yes, laptop is a complication right now because this is the BMW original top box. Problem with the BMW top box is that it is somehow very small compared to my Triumph top box, because of which I'm not able to fit my 16-inch laptop properly. Right now I fit it like edge to edge completely, it doesn't move at all, and I use this towel so that it cushions it properly and it doesn't move. Here also I'll give a little bit of packing because come on, here a very expensive laptop, I shouldn't be risking. Iske upar I'll be fitting this toiletries bag and I'll have to carry my chappal as well. Also we need to carry extra shoes. I was thinking actually I'll take this one. You guys remember this, right? The Loneridus duffel bag. You can put all the clothes inside it and literally that will be empty. But then I thought I'll just ride the top box without any extra luggage like this. This is for a 10-day trip. Panniers become a little bit too much, especially for this 5-day trip. I want to keep it minimal. That's about it. I think we are pretty much ready to leave. Apart from that, I'll be taking the helmet along with the Sena. Sena and GoPro are charging right now. And oh yes, finally we have a clear visor with a lot of dust on it. No more tinted visor. All this is last minute electronic stuff. I'll be packing this maybe inside the tank bag. Seriously, yaar, if you were little bit, at least 1 or 2 inches wider, you would be so helpful, yaar. Right now, you're like just neck to neck. Well, all these things are for the rider. The actual ride itself, the ride is perfectly ready. Oh, by the way, these are the gloves I'm taking, the BMW standard gloves. You know what? Actually, I forgot. I was thinking I'll have to do some prep for the bike ride before leaving for any ride. So basic checks of a bike before going for a ride would be, are the brakes fine? Brakes should be good because pretty new. Just 4,000 kilometers done, and it seems, I'm not sure about it. You literally get 20,000 kilometers plus of life on a single brake pad. I'm talking about the BMW 1250. And then you have to also check the engine oil. Perfect. Coolant. Perfect. Chain. What chain are you talking about? What is chain, dude? Oh, by the way, look at the beautiful weather, yeah. Clear blue skies. Stay like this for a couple of days. Actually, we had a plan to ride to Mosquitoes. Our plan was to ride to Kodaikanal. I know I've already done it. Waise though I did almost everything in the country except for a few offbeat places. On the new bike, we did not do all these rides. But for now, most of the rides are going to be double time. Ek bar Tiger pe ho gaya, second time on the BMW. Anyway, chalo then, I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog till now. Next vlog, after a long time, you're going to see me on the bike. You're going to see the BMW's dash. And after I come back, I'll come back to this house once again, park the BMW here, take the car and go to the new apartment. And I'm also planning to take my sister there for 2 days. And after that, once again, I'll have to come back here. Once again, pack everything, and in a week or something, we're gonna leave to the international trip. No, not by bike, by flight only. It's a family vacation, basically. So then, I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. In case you did, you guys know what to do, right? Hit the like button. By the way, do I have to say this all the time? If I don't say this, then less likes. If I say this, there are more likes. Do hit the like button even if I say it or not, dude. Do subscribe, do comment, and I will see you guys directly in the bike.